A well-manufactured exhibit can last many years. If you have a reversible or replaceable graphics and interchangeable accessories on your display, you can create a fresh look while still using the same hardware for many shows. However, there comes a time when you may want to replace your booth altogether. Here are some signs that you might decide it's worth the investment to replace your entire display. Number 1. The booth is not built to last. Again, a well-manufactured exhibit is easily updated and can withstand years of service. However, there are many products sold online for much less that may look similar but are prone to breaking before you even get to the next show. They also often come with many loose parts and pieces that can easily be misplaced, and they may not have a quality customer service team that can help you replace the parts in time for your next show. If you find yourself in this situation, find another exhibit house that can provide you with something designed to withstand multiple shows. The investment may be greater up front, but your bottom line will benefit from the display that doesn't need to be replaced every year. Number 2, the brand has been discontinued. An exhibit manufacturer that has been in business for decades has probably evolved a lot since the early days of exhibiting. If a product has been discontinued, it's most likely because they have something better to offer you. The product may have been the latest and greatest at the time, but quality trade show manufacturers are constantly finding ways to make exhibiting easier. And with innovations in tension fabric and toolless frames, it's worth checking out their newest offerings. Number 3, your trade show program is growing. Maybe you only started exhibiting at trade shows a year ago and chose to start small with a small booth space and most inexpensive booth that you could find. But the leads that you are bringing in have blown you away and you think it's worth it to expand your trade show program. In this case, you may want to upgrade to something more upscale, like a display with lockable cabinets and outrigger shelving or light boxes. And finally, number 4, you may have booth envy. Do you feel like you aren't standing out compared to the other booths? You might see impressive backlit elements and unique structures that are turning heads, and you want the same for your booth. If the booth was designed to be easily updated, you might be able to update your existing booth by incorporating a light box or making other changes, but it might be best to replace the property altogether for the most effective results. And that's it. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to visit our website to learn more about our products and services, and we will see you again next time.